creatures, water, air, and other living things exist in our environment. Our environment gets influenced by climatic interaction, geomorphic measures, and hydrologic measures. The life of humans and animals is entirely dependent on climate. Our environment supports life on Earth. Everything we inhale, feel, and energy comes from the environment. Billions of people depend on the environment for their livelihood. For example, over 1.5 billion people depend on forests for food, medicine, shelter, and more. Farmers turn to the woods when their crops fail. Almost 2 billion people earn a living from agriculture, and the other 3 billion are on the ocean. The trees work as a filter to remove air pollutants like carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide while releasing oxygen. The activities of humans that cause ecological degradation are pollution, defective environmental policies, chemicals, greenhouse gases, global warming, ozone depletion, etc. The waste generated by the developed world is beyond the absorptive capacity of the environment. So the development process resulted in environmental pollution, water, and the atmosphere, ultimately harming the water and air quality. It has also resulted in an increased incidence of respiratory and waterborne diseases. To conclude, we can say that it is the environment that is keeping us alive. Without the blanket of the environment, we won't survive. In conclusion, land pollution can only be controlled if with the government we also contribute to it. And our contribution requires us to use fewer amounts of products that cause land pollution. Also, we should make it our duty to sort out the waste and avoid the usage of non-biodegradable products.